What's going on, guys? So today we have an unboxing of these Toytec coilovers. They're fit for the 95.5 up to 2004 Toyota Tacoma, the first generation. I believe these are the Ultimate coilovers. These ones here are rated at 650 pounds, I believe, which is a lot of weight, kind of overkill. But they were the same price for all three, so I figured why not. And as you guys can see, we're all ready to go here. Have the truck set up, ready to go. I'm gonna start this project today, but I'm gonna see if we can get a quick little unboxing of these coilovers real quick. And I'm gonna be pairing these with these upper control arms, the Jba off-road upper control arms, and see how that goes. Should be good, hopefully. All right, so it comes with these two wrenches in here to adjust them. This is just the billing information. Two stickers, Toytec stickers here. It's got this packaging here, pretty well packaged. Yeah, so here they are. Look pretty nice. These are the silver finish. I believe the other ones were red, which I prefer the red color, but these are rated for more weight. These are 650 pounds. Like I said, it's kind of overkill, but they were the same price. And I mean, I don't know, the ride's probably gonna be a little stiffer, but I do plan on adding a front bumper with the winch, so that should be good. So we'll see how they work. But yeah, it's got the Bilstein shocks and the Jba coilovers. Pretty heavy, but let's see if we, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's nothing else, just the coilovers pretty much. So yeah, now I'm gonna, got the hardware on here. So now I'm gonna unbox these. I also got paired them with the Jba off-road upper control arms. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, make sure everything's there before I get started. The truck's pretty much ready to go. I did put WD-40 on all the nuts and bolts, so hopefully I left it overnight, and hopefully that makes it easier for this job. So for the upper control arms, it's the Jba off-road, and pretty much it's gonna be the Toyota Tacoma 1996 through 2004, and also if it's a 4Runner, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, 1996 to 02, which is a 3rd gens. And yeah, let's see what it comes with. Then a little certificate here, dear customer. More packaging. Some washers. Yeah. Both control arms here. Very well packaged. Doesn't seem like they're damaged or anything, so that's good. That's pretty much it. Look pretty good. So yeah. So here we are, about to get started on this. Hopefully we can have the coilovers and the upper control arms done on this today. That's a goal. So I'm gonna do the driver's side first, get all that buttoned up, everything. That way if I need to reference anything, I can just go to the passenger side and take a look at that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna see if I can film some of it. Probably won't film all of it, just 'cause I wanna get it done and over with today. But I'll see what I can do. So there's a new coilover versus the old one. You can see the other one's pretty dirty and worn out. It's not much of a difference as far as length, maybe a couple inches, 2 inches or so. Yeah, this one's much beefier. You can tell it seems like better constructed, obviously. But yeah, just want to get a quick clip of the old coilover versus the new one. So far, I'm having a heck of a time getting this done. Getting the old upper control arm off. I got the old shock off, as you guys seen it, but the upper control arm is giving me a heck of a time. The ball joint right here, getting it out of there, it's giving me a hard time. And the boot here also, I don't know if it was ripped already or if I ripped it in the process. I think it was already ripped. But yeah, I'm gonna keep at it and hopefully I can get, at least I'm gonna get the coilovers in right now, get that out of the way, and then I'll go back to the upper control arm and then see how that goes. But I'll keep you guys updated. What is going on, y'all? So pretty much I'm making this video just because that last clip didn't make an ending for it. So this is pretty much just closing out the video on that. It was a brief unboxing. There wasn't really much to unbox. It was pretty much just the coilovers and the upper control arms on it. They came very well packaged. Although the coilovers, I got those from Toytec, and those were the Ultimate coilovers. They're like rated, the ones rated for 650 pounds. They come in like a silver color. They have those and the gray ones. I'm sorry, the gray ones and the red ones. And the only thing that I noticed is one of the coilovers had like a little scuff on them, like a chip. So the paint chipped off. Not sure how that happened. I'm not sure if it was while it was getting made or assembled or while it was getting packaged. But when it arrived, the packaging was pretty good. I mean, it was pretty well packaged. I don't think it was from transportation. That had to happen from manufacturing or when it was getting boxed up. Not too sure. But that was pretty much it, all that I really noticed. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't know if it'll rust. Probably just go over it with some paint or some sort of, you know, something just to not have that bare spring just exposed like that. Not that it should be a big deal. Down here in Southern California, we don't get much rain or snow, so shouldn't be a problem. But just to be on the safe side. So yeah, the truck's pretty much done. As now, I'll shoot another clip of pretty much how it looks. With the coilovers installed and the upper control arms on the stock wheels. And then I'll also make a different clip with the new set of wheels and tires, and I'll put the dimension, the size pretty much of how much lift I got, what I have it at now, and what it is with the wheels if I get more of a lift, which I'm pretty sure I will, as those are beefier tires. It'll most likely lift the truck a little bit more. Previously
the truck from the front, it was at, I believe it was 35 inches from the ground to the fender, to the center of the fender. The highest point on the fender was 35.5 inches on the driver's side. As far as the passenger side goes, that was at 35 3/4, I believe. Once I put everything, the upper control arms, the springs on it, right when I dropped it, it was measuring at, the driver's side was at 39.5 and the passenger was 39 3/4. Of course, when you first drop it, you know, the suspension has to settle a little bit. So I have been driving it around over speed bumps and what have you. I actually even took it off-roading, as you guys will see in the next clip. It's pretty dusty. Took it off-roading up in the mountains. Nothing too crazy, but still was, you know, little offshoots, dirt roads. I'm sure that helped it settle. And it's been a couple weeks since I did that. So now I'm gonna measure it, see where I'm at now. After the settling period, now I believe it dropped, it settled about 1 inch. So I did lose 1 inch on it, which is now at 38, I believe, 38.5 for the driver's side and 38 3/4 on the passenger side. So I think these trucks are notorious for that. I think they have like a little lean going on. Because even with the factory springs, it had that difference, slight difference in it. So I can adjust that. I'm gonna have to adjust that to make up for that. Although it's not that much of a difference, so we'll see. It's probably not too high on the list, but when I put the wheels on it, if I'm already there, might as well. I have the adjustable wrenches, as you guys seen in the clip, that came with the coilovers. But yeah, guys, just wanted to close out the video. A lot more to come on the truck and also with the other builds. So consider subscribing, leaving a like if you liked it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.